Hello, friends. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic on your network marketing business. About your network marketing business, it is about recruitment. Okay, so let's say you have exhausted your friends and family members, and so you are not sure what to do next. Okay, so I hope you are in the same situation or not, but you have to know how to expand the business, how do you grow your business, how do you recruit more people. Just like any other business, you need the people. Okay, any business cannot survive without customers. So exactly the same way in your business, you have two kinds of prospective customers. So your downlines, well, you can say that they are not my customer, they are not buying anything from you, but indirectly you could say in a traditional business, you make money out of your customers. Here your from your downlines, you make revenue, you make money. When you help them to grow the business, you make money. So they, the terminology wise it may be different, but it is one and the same. So that means you can make money in a network marketing business from the people who buy products from you, or the people who help to generate the volume for you in your organizations where you can start to make profit. Okay, so how do you recruit then? If you have exhausted all your friends and family members, how do you recruit more people? How do you get an ongoing flow of prospects into your business? Okay, so let's discuss this about two powerful ways you can recruit more people in your network marketing business. Okay, the first is a social media contacting. Okay, now social media contacting, you can say it's also called as a push marketing. Okay, so this is from marketing terminology, you can say one is push marketing, another is pull marketing. Okay, so what is social media contacting? That means you are connecting with people, other people. Okay, and to build a network. So that means to develop friendship with other people. Okay, it may be, you're connecting with new friends on Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter. So different social networks or professional networks are there, so you can send a new connection request to people, and then you can start a conversation and build friendship before you talk to them about the business opportunity. Okay, so that is a good approach, whereby you can connect with the people who you think are ideal for your kind of a business. You can look at their profile and look at if you can connect with them in any specific way, professionally or from culturally or language wise or religion wise or geographical origin wise, whatever it is. Okay, so there may be some connection, and that is, it's better to connect with the people who you already have a kind of a correlation or a connection. Okay, for example, about me, as I am from India, so if I could link up with other people who are from India, so there is always a better chances that they can relate with me more than someone who is not from India. So again, the country may be a similarity of country, or same country may establish a connection better, but again it all depends on to at a higher level. You may be or both of you and your prospective client or prospective business partner or whoever you connected with, maybe from the same country, but it may happen that that person hasn't got the mindset what you got. Okay, that's also possible. Okay, so but there is a better chance that to connect with someone, so somebody has to accept your connection request. If there is any connection already in a certain specific way, there is a good chance that that person will accept your connection request when there is already a similarity. Okay, so that is called social media contacting, where you connect and send the connection request to people who are may not be already your friends and family members. You connect with them and then slowly develop a friendship. Second point is the content strategy, which is also called a pull marketing. Okay, what is a pull marketing, or what is content strategy? So now this is where you create content. Okay, Content means what? Content means, these are called digital assets as well. So digital asset means you just create the content once and it is there on the internet for, a rest of the life of that website. So if you have created some blog and, on your website or blogger.com or anywhere you have written something, okay, so that will be there until that website is there, unless it is taken down, it will remain be there. So that becomes a digital asset. So that means that content, if you have a call to action there, then that content will keep generating income. Okay. If from that content what you have created, let's say you have a call to action saying that, okay, hey, download my free ebook, okay, or hey, attend my webinar, okay. So in that way, then you can generate leads from that content, okay. So the content strategy is very powerful as well, but it takes time, okay. So that means social media contacting is kind of a more it goes faster, but content strategy is a bit slower, where you are creating the content and putting it up there. And what kind of a content? It could be a blog, could be YouTube videos, so you can create videos on YouTube, or you can have Facebook postings as well. There are so many contents you can have, even podcast as well, okay. So that is also a content, okay. So what happens here is when you create the contents continuously, okay, so you are bound to create some followers or followings of people who like your content, okay. So when there are people who start to like your content, because these are the people, so what you are doing is you are trying to pull these people, okay. That's why it's called a pulling strategy. So you are pulling them, so you are not forcing somebody onto them, but they are coming to you instead of you are approaching them, okay. So you are just putting it up there and they are coming, people are coming and they're liking your post, and then you are suggesting them, or you are connecting with them, or you are putting a call to action whereby they can connect with you by email, or you have a lead magnet where they are coming and they can download certain things and you can get their email address, and then you can go and you can talk to them about the business opportunity as well. But your objective is let them come first, they let them relate and link up with me, and then I can go and approach them and talk to them and check their interest about the business opportunity, okay. So these are the two powerful ways you can, if you are exhausted your friends and family members list, then you can leverage online platforms to tap onto unlimited prospects there, okay. So my name is Som, guys. Som Prakash. I'm a business coach and a consultant, and this is a book which I have written. You can get hold of a copy of this book on Amazon, or you can also go for if you attend the webinar which I'm doing. So you can find the link below to attend the webinar where I'll be discussing how you can launch your business, to how you can grow your business at different levels. So, and you will have the opportunity to download this book as well. In that webinar I will give you that link as well. You can download it completely free, okay. And this 1 hour webinar will be discussing about how you can launch your very successful network marketing business, okay. Wherever you are, you may be a starting point of this business, to if you have already grown to a certain level, you are stuck in this business, so you can attend this webinar, which is completely free of cost. Attend and start to learn and implement the strategies to grow your business, okay. So make sure you hit that button below to register for that webinar, and you will have an opportunity to get hold of a copy of this book as well, of Launch to Leadership, completely free, that ebook. And also you will learn from the live webinar how you can scale your business to a different level and kickstart your business. If you are stuck, you are wondering what to do next in the business, you will have the right strategies to grow your business, okay. So register below, and looking forward to see you at the webinar. Bye bye.